high winds. For the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Henry, Madison, Rush, and Tipton. High wind warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, and north central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Nope, it's a key.